From Southgate Community Center, and I don't know about you, but I like to celebrate. And today we're going to be making our very own celebration photo frame. To make your frame, you will need a piece of cardboard, colorful paper, a pair of scissors, 1 cup, a glue stick, and a marker. For step 1, we're going to be making our actual frame. So you're going to take your cardboard and your scissors, and go ahead and fold your cardboard in half. You want to choose something that's semi-thin so you're actually able to cut out the center piece. So you take your cardboard and you're going to leave a little space on the edge. And go ahead and cut into your cardboard, creating the inside space. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. You want to cut enough space so you're actually able to see your face through the hole. For our next step, you're going to need your construction paper, your marker, and your scissors and cup. So we're actually going to be creating our decorations for our frame, and a cup is a really simple stencil, and I am going to go ahead and take my marker and circle around the bottom of our cup to make our smaller circles, and I'm going to go ahead and flip our cup over to create our larger circles. And I'm actually only going to be making 3 of the red, so I'll make 1 more smaller circle before I begin cutting my paper out. And once you cut out your paper, you're going to repeat that step for all of the colors you'll be using for your frame. So for our next step, we're going to take our scraps that we used for our circles and actually create different size rectangles that we'll be using to write our letters on for our photo frame. So once you have your pieces cut out, you're going to arrange them onto your frame where you'd like. You're going to make sure you have at least 9 rectangles to write out the word celebrate. I have 10 because I'm going to add an exclamation mark at the end. So then you're going to take your glue and actually secure them onto your frame. Once your design is complete, it's time to celebrate. You can use your photo frame to take pictures throughout the year for accomplishments or celebrations. I hope you have fun making your very own celebration photo frame.